All right, welcome to another ChatLoopBackOff. Today we have Edson, who's going to be going over external secrets. I'll be in the background. Feel free to ask your questions. You have an hour. Edson, take it away.
Yeah. Hey everyone. Excited to be here. It's my first time, and I'll be talking about a really cool project. So I'm excited to do that. But before going to the project, I have some uh, announcements or news that I want to talk with you all before I start. So first of all, it's about the KubeCon that will happen on April in London. So we already have the schedule, so feel free to take a look. And unfortunately, I will not be able to join this year, but I always recommend to try to participate. And we have a lot of cool things, and yeah, it's a good time to meet the community. And another thing, it's about the KCGs. So we have a lot of good KCGs that will be happening around the world, and especially I totally forgot about my introduction, but I need to say that I'm Edson. I'm from Brazil, and I'm always talking about Brazilian conference and Brazilian events. So uh, next month we will have the KCG Rio de Janeiro. So if you are here, if you are watching from Brazil, so feel free to join us. It will be a really nice conference. And we have some others happening that will happen in the next months, and most of them are with the call for paper opened. So feel free to submit your case or something that you think that will be really good for the community. So it's always good to submit something and share your knowledge with the community. So that's for the news. And right now, like Jorge said, today we'll be talking about external secrets. So just talking a bit about this live. The way that it's work, it's kind of funny because we don't have like much script or preparation. So we got a CNCF project and we try to make it work in 1 hour. I think it's at maximum 1 hour. So today we were talking about external secrets, and my main goal here it will be try to use it and try to make the getting started works. So I try to follow all the steps. Um, to be honest with you guys, it's not my first time seeing this project, and it's because of that I said it's a really cool project. But I didn't have much time in the past to explore all of the features and some details. So I will try here to share with you and to learn with you that were watching. And yeah, I think it will be really funny. So uh, as I said, today we'll be talking about the external secrets project. And if anyone already worked with external secrets, just raise a hand on the chat, and just to see if we have anyone here that it's already know about the project and already worked with, because it's a really cool project. So the idea here is explore the documentation and in special the getting started and see if we can make it works in my local machine. And I'm not so confident that it works because every time that we try to do a demo, weird things happens, but let's see what we can do today, right? So this is the main page of the documentation of the project. So we already have a nice picture here that explains in a good way about what is the main goal of this project. So as you can see here, the main idea of the external secrets is that you can have a controller in your Kubernetes cluster that can get secrets from external vaults and inject inside your namespace. So it's really good when you have like an external vault and you want to consume these kind of secrets inside your cluster in a secure way, and you do not want to expose any kind of secrets, and you can scale and you want to scale this security secrets management, right? So based on this, like what I was saying, it's a Kubernetes operator that integrates external secrets management like AWS Secrets, HashiCorp Vault, and all of the cloud providers secrets vaults like Azure, IBM, and some others. And this operator reads the information from the external API and automatically inject the values into a Kubernetes secrets. So as far as I got, the main idea here is that we can get the secrets and inject inside the Kubernetes secret. So you do not need to maintain or manage the Kubernetes secret itself, because the value will be injected from external secret, external vault, sorry. So what is the goal? So the idea is to synchronize the secrets from the external APIs into the Kubernetes. So like I was saying, use or manage secrets in Kubernetes, it's always a pain because you need to choose the best approach and the best way to manage that secrets. And with external secrets, you can synchronize all of the external secrets with your Kubernetes clusters. So basically, the external secret operator, it's a collection of Keystone API resources. So we have, when we are talking about the external secrets, we have some custom API resource. So I think we can spend some time looking in this specific API resource. We have the external secrets, the secret store, and the cluster secret store. And the idea is to provide a user-friendly abstraction of the external API and manage the lifecycle of the secret for you. So like I was saying, you do not need to manage manually. You have the operator that will do these works for you. So sounds cool. So let's see how it works, right? So let me change here. I think everyone can see my screen. So we have a getting started here. I think I really like when we have a glossary on the documentation. I don't know if it's because I'm a docs guy, but it's really good when we look in a project and we see that we have a glossary. So usually we have a new terminology, some terms that we don't know. So it's really good to see. So here I think most of these terms are already I'm already familiar with them. So we can go to the requirements, right? So what exactly we need to install? Here, I think to use it, I think we are fine, right? I'm a bit worried because I will need to spin up a Kubernetes cluster, but let's see if it works. So going to the getting started. So nice, we have a Helm start. We have a Helm manifest that we can use to install. And the default installation option will automatically install and manage CRGs. So if you don't want the CRGs, you must set the install CRGs to false. So I think we can go to the default values, right? And see, maybe we can just change and remove. I'm just watching the comments, so feel free to comment and I will ask for help, definitely. So feel free to send some comments and yeah. And just answering me, I will not go with Kubernetes, sorry. So if you don't want to install and manage the CRDs, we can just disable. So we have some options here. We can install from the shard repository, or we can just build locally. I don't want to do that, so I will use the shard repository. I will go with my terminal. Let me know. Maybe you already saw my AWS credentials, but it's just a demo user, so I think you are fine. Do not install anything crazy in my demo account, right? So let me go back to the screen. Okay, So first of all, we need to have a Kubernetes cluster, right? So basically, I'm using Lima and Colima to manage my Kubernetes cluster. So the last time that I spin up a Kubernetes cluster, which was like a long time ago, so let's see if it will works. So for who don't know what I'm talking about, this is the project, and you can easily set up Docker and Kubernetes in your macOS, and it's pretty cool. So this is the usage. You can just start Colima. And in my case, I will start with a Kubernetes. So let's see if it works. Yeah. Demo time. So let's see. So while this is just installing, let's see here. Basically, we need a Kubernetes cluster. We need external vault, right? Like in following the get started, they are using AWS. So I use AWS Secrets Manager as an external vault, and I will try to set up this in a demo application. So let's see. Going back. Okay, looks like we already have a cluster. So I have a Colima cluster here. I don't know if you are able to see. So cube context. I have the Colima here. So, okay. Oh, which was my old cluster. But yeah, it's working. Let's see if we have anything here. I think we have some default stuff like traffic and core DNS, traffic, metrics, and so on. So let's see if it works. So going back to the documentation, I will install from the shard repository. First of all, I will add the repo here. Second, so adding the repo. Okay, and we can go back and install the operator. I will not, like I said, I use the default configuration, and I will create a new namespace specific for the external secret. And let's see. Okay, so we already have the operator. It's supposed to be running, right? So then external secrets. Let's see if you have what we have here. Do this. Oh, image pullback off. I think I have something. There's something wrong with my Kubernetes cluster. So let's see. Come on. Yeah, I think there is something wrong with my Kubernetes cluster. I think I have kind here. Yeah. Okay. But I have a plan B. Is it right? Or I'm missing something? Let's go to the documentation. Find create cluster. Image name. So it's supposed to be like that. External secret operator. Oh, I need to install to run my Docker instance. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I was trying to use Daemon, but oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys saw this, but in one of the Docker release, we had some issues like the binary was detected as malicious stuff, and I didn't update mine. So I will go back and try to see what I've done wrong with my Colima cluster. So let's go back. Where is my screen? So let's investigate. Is it? Yeah, there is something wrong with mine. So let's search Google to see what is going on with my cluster. Kubernetes. And let's see. And right now it's a troubleshooting demo. So I don't know if we'll be able to use, but let's see. Maybe it's something with my network. I think I have a blog post about it. So Lima. Yeah. Some second. Colima. Runtime container G. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Let's try to do this and use kind with this Docker engine. Okay. So I just need to start. It's like I already have an instance. It's not working. So everything as a planet, it's not working. So it's time to have a plan B. There is a Lima template for Kubernetes. So let's see if it works. Sorry, is it so? Yeah. Help. There is some kind of name here that we can pass. CTL list. Oh, CTL start. Okay, so let's see. Finger crossed. So just to do not forget, we are still trying to spin up a Kubernetes cluster to run the external secret operator. And as you can see here, there are a lot of errors. And yeah, let's see if it works. I'm just trying to spin up a cluster using Lima instead of kind of Minikube or some other stuff. I think it will not work, but let's see. Just one more. Let me see if I have some other cluster, but I think I don't have it. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. I think we are going with kubeadmin. I mean, because it will be the only option. But let's see. We still have some time. So yeah, while this is loading, let's go back to the documentation here and try to see what are the next steps. So we need to have a Kubernetes cluster. It's the most important thing here. And then we need to create a secret with the AWS credentials. So I think we need this secret to connect with the vault. So it will be like the first and the main connection between the external secret and the vault. So we need to connect the AWS account with the operator, and with that connection, we can synchronize and pull and push the secrets, I think. So I'm not sure, but I think we have, if you do not want to use like plain secrets or plain credentials, you can assign some role to the operator or some kind of stuff like that. But I think for the getting started, we just need to create a generic secret with the secret key and the access key. And then we go to the secret start. So let's see if, yeah, I think we do not have a cluster. So let me think here. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. See if I have the Docker. Just 1 second. Let's see. Just 1 second. I will try to download Docker again. So yeah, because I need to use kind, and for use kind. CTI list. I will just delete. I think I have Linux CTI. Ubuntu. And let's try to go. So I have Docker here. Maybe we can see sudo Docker. It's not here, so maybe we can do this inside a VM. Let's see if it works. Docker. There is no Docker. I will not spin up a AKS cluster because it will be a bit expensive and it takes some time. For the folks that are already familiar with AKS, and especially with some kind of Terraform, they know that this takes a lot of time to spin up and be ready. So let's see. Okay, we have Docker here. So let's install. Okay, so let's install kind and try to use kind. I think we have some kind of, so let's go to the kind project and try to install. install guide, and macOS. I think we can just check here. So I think we have Docker, so we can have kind. I have kind here. No, so we need to install. Go to the other windows. Linux or macOS. I don't know if it works, but come on. I think I need to have the Linux version. So that is it, guys. That's the ChatLoopBackOff. In my case, it's CrashLoopBackOff. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's read-only file system. Okay, so I don't know if temp file, it's read-only too. It's not read. So the TMP folder, it's the best place to put everything important, right? Just kidding. Don't get me serious, but kind. Okay, kind. Create cluster. I think it works. So basically, I'm using a Lima VM. It's a Ubuntu VM, so I'm installing everything from scratch, like the kind, the Docker, and I need to install the kubectl and the Helm, and then we can start with the demo, right? So if you have any comments or question, please send a message on chat and let's talk a bit, because I'm feeling that I'm talking alone, and yeah. So if you have anything, just so the control plane is starting. Okay, you have kind and kubectl. Okay. I think I don't have kubectl here. Let's try to use this snaps kubectl. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, the TPM folder, it's like a home folder. It's just another name for your home folder, right? Oh, TMP. Okay, so I have kubectl. Yeah. So now I can try to do this. And kubectl get node. Yeah, we have a cluster, finally. So we need to install the Helm, right? Helm install. Installing Helm. So we have this script. I'm just copying and paste the script, but don't do this. Spend some time reading the scripts, not like me. So it's it's my environment right now. It's kind of nice. So. Okay, so we are downloading the Helm, and with that, we'll be able to install the external secret operator, and I hope it will be able to work. So Helm list. Okay. Now going back to the external secret operator. Okay, I don't need this anymore, but okay, we are just starting right now. So let's install the operator. Okay, so I think it's external secrets. Yeah. So the container is creating and whoa, it's running. That's nice. Let's just wait like for a few seconds. And so we are installing the external secret, the controller, and the webhook. So let's take a look on the whole picture, like how it works. Like what are the components and things kind of stuff. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So we have the kind external secret, key user. Okay, let's go to the resource. We have the secret star. And basically it's saying what are the vault that we are using, the subsea, and the reference for the secrets that we are getting, right? So we have the name of the secret and the key. And in that case, we are getting the ID secret. The external secret declare what data to fetch. And the cluster secret. Oh, okay. The only difference between this one is because it's a global, right? So we can have a single secret star for the whole cluster. That's nice. So let's go back. I think it's everything it's running now, right? Let's just remove this. And okay, so we can go to the next step for the getting started. Going back to the getting started. We already installed this. We will not do this. So we need to create a secret containing my AWS credentials. Okay, I already have some credentials in my other screen, and for obvious reasons, I will not show that, but trust me. And I will do this. Okay. So just 1 second. That's my screen. I'll just move to my other screen just for 1 second because I will do this. Okay. So access key. Okay, I already have my access key here. And the other one will be the secret access key. So just 1 more second. Just getting my secret to be called secret access key. Okay, so it's here and my access key is here. Okay. We can go back to the main screen. Okay, so like I said, I already have, okay, I already have the access key file and the secret access key file here. So what I'll do now is just create my secret, my Kubernetes secret that will be used by the external secret operator. And we'll create a generic secret with the name AWS SSM secret and from the files that I created before. And I think, I don't know if it needs to be at the namespace level, but let's see. So Kubernetes kubectl get secrets, and I can like kubectl describe secret. We have the access key and the secret access key. Okay. So we can go to the next step, right? The next one will be create our first secret star. So let's just copy that. It's not in a namespace level, so it will be created on the default namespace, right? Resist1, and we'll be using Secrets Manager as a provider, as a vault provider, and we'll be using the secrets that I created before. So secrets is variable. And don't judge me because I'm using nano. So secrets we have here. So we just need to do a kubectl apply file secrets. And now we have, so if I do a kubectl get, what is the name? Secrets star or something like that. It's secret star, secret star. Oh my gosh, kubectl. kubectl. Okay, we have the secret star here. So like we saw in the documentation, we are creating like new CRGs, like custom API resource. So this object called secret star, it's a new one that we got when we installed the Helm chart, Helm operator for the secret, the external secret. So we have here, and if we do a kubectl describe secret star this name, we have here, and we have some good information here, like the provider, and we have some events here saying that the star is validated. So nice, it's good. So the next step will be to create our first external secret. So until now, it was just about configuring the connection between the external secret, the secret manager in our case, with the operator. So right now we are creating our first external secret. So let's get this file and like first is a variable. And let's see. So we have here the refresh interval. I think this is related to the time that the operator will synchronize. So it will be good, like if it's something that changes with frequency or not, we can just adjust this refresh interval. And the secret star ref, so like we saw, every external secret have a reference with a secret star. And like we saw too, it can be a cluster level or namespace level. But in our case, we are using a secret star, and we are saying like, hey, external secret, use this secret star as a reference. It will be this vault will be the one that you can get the secrets, right? And the target name, the secret that will be created, the creation policy, and the data itself. So I think this is the most important part for now for us, like the secret key to be managed, the remote ref, and the data from. So I think we can spend a bit more time trying to understand these fields, because let me go back to my AWS account and I will share the right tab. You can just create a new secret and try to get that secret right. Let me share this tab just 1 second. And I'll get this moved to that place. So I think now we are able to see my AWS tab, right? So this is the Secrets Manager screen. Let me just put something here. We have a question like we need to create a resource to every secret that we want to pull from the vault, or we can specify a lot of secret one of a single one. That's a good question. Let me try to create this first one and we can take a look together on that question. I can't see your name because you just say LinkedIn user, so sorry. I will try to create this one and we can take a look on the docs. Right, so demo, and I don't know, it's working. So we have a key value pair here and the secret name, like demo prod demo secret. I don't know if you can use this character. Yeah, I will put just them. And I go to the next, nothing more, start. So, okay, so we already have this secret here. And we have the current version. With this value, it's a key value. So I think now we have a secret and we can go and try to see how we can get this specific secret right. Secret name, just put demo secret. I think it will be the name of the Kubernetes secret, right? The secret key. I'm a bit confused about these fields. So let's see if we can get more information about it. Let's go to the guides. Oh, I think it's related to your question. Find multiple secrets and extract secret values. I think, let's open this quickly. Oh, we can use a regex to find for some pattern, like name pattern. I think it can works for your user case. It's good. Let's look for some examples for AWS Secrets Manager. Okay, nice. I prefer pictures because it's better for diagrams. So we have the secret star with a kind of external secret here. That's good. So I don't want to see the AIM policy. Oh, it's for push secrets. That's good. But that's not what I want now. Okay, So let's suppose that we have these JSON secret values here. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. Secret name. Okay, this will be the name that will be created on the secret. Let me go back to our, come on, where is the screen? Data. Secret key, my name, to be the name that will be created. The remote ref, the key. Friend list, okay. And the property will be name.first. In our case, let's see. I think this as an example is not the best one. Go back to the documentation. I think this is the only that we need, right? Like this stuff. Oh my gosh, where is it? And just use this because the target we already have. So let's see. We have just a few more minutes. So demo secret. The secret have, I think it's broad demo. Is it right or is it? I think it's broad demo. And the ref will be demo. So we do not need this one. We just have only one field. And let's see if it works. So this is the key, this is the property, right? So let me go back to the AWS. Demo, it's demo. Let's see if it works, right? Again, it's kubectl. External secret, what is the name? It's external secret. Push it down. There's some error. So maybe can see if there's something wrong. Describe. Caused by invalid header field in authorization. Could not remote ref. Maybe it's the name of the secret star because I changed it. So kubectl get secret star. No, it's the secret star. I think it's because of the secret name, right? Where is the data? Key property. Let's see. Let's go back to the documentation. I think we only have secret key. Yeah, I think Let's try target. I think this is the key, right? Prod, demo. And I don't know if you need this property stuff. And just demo, right? Still not works. Oh, this is the key. Okay, got it. To be prod demo, maybe demo. Finger crosses. Oh, it's valid. So it worked. So we have the capability to read write, and it's true. So if you do a kubectl get secret, right now we have the secret that were created by, I think it's not that one, right? This secret it was created by, we don't have a namespace here. Kubectl get secret. Let's see the rest of the documentation. Where is the documentation? Okay. Secret sync. So let's do a kubectl describe external secret. Let's try to kubectl delete first and create again, right? Kubectl get external secret. There is an error. So I was happy for nothing. I think we still have some kubectl describe. Could not get secret data from provider. Maybe still related to the key and property. Maybe to have this right remote ref key to be managed. Yeah, I think we need some improvement on that guide, just to explain some fields specific for the secret manager. Supposed to be the key. I think we do not have. Let me search for external secrets for secret manager guide. Let's see if we find something. I don't know. Come on, I don't want to see the cluster itself, but external secret, secret name, key. Oh, it's key and property, right? So secret key.
You got about 5 minutes.
Yeah, so I think That's all, guys. This is the demo. And yeah, we had a lot of issues, but the main idea of the project is to inject the secrets from your external vault to your cluster. And looks like basically we have like 2 or 3 resources that we use for that, but maybe we need some improvements on the documentation, on the guide about which kind of fields we use for that. If anyone have any questions, we can take a look on it together because I still need to test everything, and I think it's all. If you have anything, I think we can like wrap up because yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks everyone for listening, and we will be back next week. Edson, are you coming to London? When can I see you next?
On KCD, Rio de Janeiro.
Oh,
Definitely
okay.
London, it's a bit far from Brazil, so it will not work right now.
Okay.
So,
All right. Well, I hope to see you in Rio then. All right.
yeah.
Thanks everybody, and we'll see everyone next week. Thank you.